Chickens are birds belonging to the family of Phasinidae. Chickens are domesticated birds that cannot fly very high. They are widespread and are found everywhere in all over the world. The male chicken is called cock and the female chicken is called hen. There are about 150 breeds of chickens with different colors, patterns and sizes. The population of chickens are more than 25 billion in all over the world. Chickens are kept as a pets, eggs laying and food products. Chicken is a short-winged bird. The weight of chicken is from 2 kilograms to 4 kilograms. Chicken flies at a speed of 14 km per hour. The sounds of chickens are called clucking. Observe and listen the sounds made by chickens in a few seconds. Chickens eats various kinds of food items like seeds, grains, herbs and leaves, grubs, insects and mites. Observe chicken eating habits in a few seconds.